Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. We have another car for sale here, a 1965 or 66 Mustang. This is in pretty good shape so far. The back of it looks pretty good. We got some glass still protecting the car. This window is broken. We got some seats left in there. We got this door has some damage along with the fender. And this car, it's missing the engine and the transmission. We got this fender also, pretty bad wreck there. We cannot get to the VIN numbers. This door, it's missing, so no VIN numbers there. It does have one of the old instrument panels there of a 64, so this might be actually a 65 for sure. Alright, we got several of these cars for sale, 100 of them from 1964 all the way to 1973 Mustangs. Back there we have several. I'll try to take photos and videos of them. Just let me know your questions. Check out my eBay store for more parts and cars for sale. Once again, call me or text me with any questions. This car does not have rear ends or front ends, so it will be a little bit difficult to get it loaded, but we'll load it on a trailer for you. And there's some rust right there, real bad. So just let me know your questions. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.